Okay, welcome to the build update. We're stopping due to a tornado warning. But anyways, this is a test fit of the enclosure. As you can see, we've already test fitted the amp on here and it does fit perfectly. So, packed in everything we possibly could. Have to do a little more wiring before I completely hook all this up. But anyways, stay tuned, it's getting ready to play. And watch out for tornadoes.